Okay, so now using keyframes, we'll have one small assignment here. So you can see like I imported one bird flight keyframes. There are like 9 drawings of a eagle flying. You can see how it is like the wings are moving up and down like flight wala keyframes. We use all the things what we learned now, F5 keyframe, F6, F5, F6, insert keyframe, normal keyframe and grouping, all those things we learn, and we will try to make this as an animation. Now I imported this image. You can see this is a flat image where all the 9 drawings are there. So I'll take a new layer. I have taken new layer up, and see there is a one layer with that image. It's already in the old session we have done. File, import to stage, and I have taken this image. In new layer I'll start tracing this bird. Okay, you can zoom little bit. Even tracing, you already know how we are going to trace using line tool and selection tool. So I'll going to trace this bird like this. We are going to trace everything in one frame first. It's easy. So I'll just trace this bird neatly and see that there are no gaps, so color filling will be very difficult later if there is a gap, and no extra small lines like this. Okay, so have patience and neatly do this. Okay, you can use grouping, no problem. When you are tracing, if you want to use grouping, you can use grouping also. So it's like this. Just put only some straight lines, then I'll start bending it as per the drawing. Okay, you can have this eagle drawing from book called Timing for Animation. There are some very important books like Christian Blair wala cartoon drawing, Richard Williams Survival Kit, and one more book Timing for Animation, and Illusion of Life from Disney. So all these books are very important for animators. So this bird we got it from Timing for Animation. Okay, I'm doing this all 3 lines, and you can have different drawings, no problem, or if you can create your own bird drawing like frames, you can create, no problem. Okay, we'll have one line here, body. So again I am not using here pencil, I will be using only line tool, or you can go for pen. Okay, we'll do this. See, if I do pencil, it is not very suitable, but still if you are very handy with the pencil, you can try, because we are not going to animate this, because already animations are there, already keyframes are there. We are going to just trace these things, that's all. So face, okay, so image is little blur, so just imagine, or you can do one thing, you can take some any other head of the bird, of eagle bird, separate one, you can trace, or you can draw. It is very good. You can just draw the head separately and you can take the picture and you can put it here, no problem. So okay, extra lines please delete. Like this, we'll have eyes. Okay, done. So first frame is done. If you observe this, the first frame the wings are like this, second frame the second part of wings are going up, and here wings are coming down in third, same thing in fourth, wings are coming totally down, and like this is a loop animation. Loop animation this will be repeating. Now I'll go to timeline and I'll give F5 for the below layer. F5 means insert frame. We learned in last session, insert frame means same image will be there for, now 20 frame means 20 frame same image will be there, it won't be changing. And in new layer I'll take right click, insert keyframe or F6. So what happened that we got that same bird again when I press F6. So I'll move this here, because I'm not going to do the head again and again. I'll be changing only the wings, because head and legs we are not moving, we are moving only wings. So when it is there, I'll just delete these wings in second frame and I'll redraw this. So I'm going back. See, first keyframe we are having this bird. So when I had like second keyframe, I took F6 or insert keyframe, we got that same bird. I deleted the wings and I'm doing again those wings now. I'm recreating the wings. Second. Okay. Like this, we are going to do all 9 drawings in different frames. Okay, I'll do 2 or 3. Done. So delete these extra lines. And the lines has to be very neat, very clean, very smooth. That original drawing flow, you are not going to miss that flow. Okay. Okay, done. So here this side. Some straight lines. Then again we'll work on this. Small extra lines we are deleting using delete button in keyboard, and it's done. Okay, so here down part. Okay, done. So second frame is ready. Now if I come back, timeline, see now first frame is here, second frame. I just hide the first layer. You can see this is first frame, second frame. 2 frames are done. Now again like this, go to next frame, keyframe, and draw this third bird. So like that 9 keyframes will be there and we'll be finishing with the 9 birds. Okay. So here I finished the coloring, tracing and coloring. I have done the coloring also, because already people know how to color. So you can see like in every keyframe, I'll zoom, just check the timeline. In every keyframe I have done the tracing of the particular birds, all the 9 drawings. Now, okay, so now we are going to arrange this bird in one single position. What you can do is just take it here in center. Maybe we hide the reference, take the second bird, open onion skin and take the second bird, just keep it here, same position, third bird. Okay. So we'll keep all the birds in one single position after coloring, and just hide the onion skin to just check. Frame by frame you can check this. Yes, it is working. And now we can delete that reference and just check, control enter. Okay, there is a jerk between, like it is going up front and back. Now again go back to first frame. We can have view rulers. You can see, keep some rulers to check the position, exact position of the particular bird, and we can rearrange it. Okay, I'll go back to second one. I've just kept rulers on that beak and eyes, so this has to be up and back. Because the head was same, we repeated the same head. Okay. Okay, done. Now we'll check. Control enter. Yes. So now bird fate is done. Now we are going to make it little big, right? So now is the time to use the third option of onion skin. Last option, edit multiple frames. Select this, Click on the keyframe. You can see all the 9 frames are selected at a time. Transform tool, Q, and you just make it big. Within work area. Done. Now you can play. So it is little fast. So what I'll do, I'll create one insert frame for all, like F5. On the every keyframe, I'll go on adding one extra frame, like double exposure. The each drawing is exposing now 2 times. So you can see the last frame is 18. Means we had done 9 drawings, but because of one exposure, it is like 18 drawings. Now see the work. Okay. So this is how you are going to draw and group, and you are going to work on keyframes. So in single page you are having all the keyframes. So trace and color in every frame, then arrange neatly. So now work is ready. Done. Thank you.